Hey everyone! Today, I'm sharing the top free AI tools every content creator should know to boost their workflow and create content faster. And I've included all the download links in the description, so you can explore each tool as we go through them. Let's check them out. First up is InVideo.io. If you want to create professional-looking videos without spending hours learning editing software, this tool is a game changer. InVideo.io uses AI to turn your ideas, scripts, or even just a few keywords into videos in minutes. Start with customizable templates, or let the AI suggest layouts, transitions, and music that fit your content. The script-to-video feature is awesome. Paste your text, and InVideo.io generates scenes, adds stock footage, and syncs everything with music and captions. You can also use their AI voiceover tool for narration in natural-sounding voices, so you don't have to record audio. InVideo AI helps you repurpose content, like turning a blog post into a YouTube video or a social media reel. Next is ElevenLabs. If you want to add professional voiceovers to your videos or podcasts without recording your voice, this is the tool for you. ElevenLabs uses advanced AI to generate realistic voices in many styles, accents, and languages. Type or paste your script, choose from dozens of voice options, and the AI creates a natural-sounding audio file. The voices are so lifelike, it's hard to tell they're not real. This is perfect for YouTube, explainer content, audiobooks, or spicing up social posts. You can also use ElevenLabs to clone your voice so the AI can read scripts in your unique style. It's a time saver if you need to produce a lot of content or want to experiment with different voices. The third tool is Canva. You probably know Canva for its drag-and-drop design tools, but now it has built-in AI features that make designing even faster and more creative. With Magic Write, you can generate headlines, product descriptions, or even blog posts right inside Canva. Magic Edit lets you tweak images, remove backgrounds, change colors, or add effects without Photoshop skills. And with Magic Design, you can create graphics, presentations, and social posts in seconds. Upload your content or describe what you want, and Canva's AI suggests layouts, color schemes, and images that match your brand. This is perfect for anyone who wants to create visuals without spending hours on design. Number 4 is Descript. This tool is a must-have for anyone working with audio or video content, especially if you want to save time on editing. Descript uses AI to transcribe your audio and video files, turning them into editable text. You can edit your podcast or video just by editing the text. Cut mistakes, rearrange sections, or remove filler words with a click. It's like editing a Word document, but for your media. Descript also offers voice cloning, so you can generate new audio in your voice, and video overdubbing to fix mistakes without re-recording. The platform includes screen recording, multi-track editing, and collaboration features, making it a one-stop shop for creators, educators, and marketers. If you want to streamline your editing and produce polished content quickly, check out Descript. Last but not least, check out HeyGen. If you want to transform text, like blog posts, articles, or scripts, into engaging videos featuring realistic AI avatars, HeyGen makes it incredibly easy. Just paste your text, and the platform generates a video with a lifelike presenter who reads your script naturally. You can choose from a wide range of avatars, languages, and voice styles to match your brand or audience. HeyGen also lets you customize backgrounds, add your own images or logos, and select different aspect ratios for platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. It's perfect for turning written content into explainer videos, training materials, or social media clips. No video editing skills required. The AI handles the heavy lifting, so you can focus on your message and creativity. If you're looking for a complete AI solution that handles everything, research, writing, video editing, image generation, coding, and more, there's an option out there. For just $10 a month, you unlock 24 advanced AI models, all in one place. It's designed to supercharge your workflow, whether you're a content creator, developer, or business owner. You'll find the link in the description if you want to check it out. And there you have it, free iTools for content creators. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a tip. And if you want to take your editing skills to the next level, don't miss my next video on the top 5 free video editors. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.